Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation. Now, to solve this problem, the first thing we are going to do is to square both sides of this equation. When we do that, we are going to get rid of this square root on the left-hand side. So, squaring both sides, we have that log to base 2 of x squared minus 5 times the absolute value of log to base 2 of x plus 6 is equal to 2 root 5 squared. Now, from here, we have that log to base 2 of x squared minus 5 times the absolute value of log to base 2 of x plus 6 is equal to 2 squared is 4. And root 5 squared is 5. And of course, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will call this quantity, that is the absolute value of log to base 2 of x, d. So we have that this is going to be equal to d. Now, with this substitution, we can now write this equation as d squared minus 5d plus 6 is equal to 20. Now, when we move 20 over to the left, we have d squared minus 5d plus 6 minus 20 is equal to 0. Now, 6 minus 20 is minus 14. So we have d squared minus 5d minus 14 is equal to 0. Now, we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of d squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of minus 14 that add up to minus 5. Now, those are going to be minus 7 and 2, because minus 7 times 2 is going to give us minus 14, while minus 7 plus 2 is going to give us minus 5. So we can factorize this left-hand side as d minus 7 multiplied by d plus 2 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either d minus 7 is equal to 0 or d plus 2 is equal to 0. Adding 7 to both sides of this equation, we have that d is equal to 7. And subtracting 2 from both sides of this equation, we have that d is equal to minus 2. But now let us remember that d is the absolute value of log to base 2 of x. And of course, you know that the absolute value cannot be negative. So this value of d is unacceptable. So we have that the absolute value of log to base 2 of x is equal to 7. Now, from this equation, we have two cases. We have that log to base 2 of x is equal to 7, or log to base 2 of x is equal to minus 7. In this case, of course, you know that when we have a statement like this, it simply means that 2 to the power 7 is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 2 to the power 7, and this is equal to 128. In this case, doing the same thing, we have that 2 to the power minus 7 is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 2 to the power minus 7. Of course, this is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 7. So x is equal to 1 over 128. So the two values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation are x equal to 128 and x equal to 1 over 128. Now, to check our answer, let us substitute these values into the left-hand side of the original equation. We have the square root of log to base 2 of x squared. Now, log to base 2 of x has two values, plus or minus 7. So this is plus or minus 7. We are testing both values at the same time. Of course, this is squared. Minus 5 times the absolute value of log to base 2 of x is 7. plus 6. This is the square root of plus or minus 7 squared is equal to 49 plus 6 minus 35. 49 plus 6 is equal to 55. 55 minus 35 is equal to 20. And of course, you know that this is the same as the square root of 4 times 5. The square root of 4 is 2. So this is equal to 2 root 5, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and watch more videos here.